Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and on today's Surprise Sunday, I got 4 more mystery bags from an Etsy store. So I am a mystery bag box junkie. I just like to see what the heck they put in these things. So this one really looked good to me, super intriguing, because they claim, I'm going to read from my thing here, they claim that your mystery box is worth more than what you pay, and it is top selling items that they have on Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. I'm just saying that sounds pretty good to me. So I bought all 4 boxes that they had available. They had a mini, a small, a medium, and a large. So I bought all 4 boxes that they had available. This is probably the most that I've spent on mystery boxes at one time. And I gotta say, guys, I was super disappointed because I ordered these forever ago and they didn't come. So I emailed the seller. I'm like, what is going on? And they said there was some kind of, Etsy glitch or whatever, and it was marked shipped when it wasn't shipped, so they said they was shipped right away. So when they allegedly shipped it right away, I was still waiting and waiting. So finally I just got irritated, and normally I don't say, hey, listen, just give me my money back and I'm just going to order from somebody who actually sends the stuff. I never say anything like that, but I was just getting really irritated because they didn't provide a tracking number, so I had no idea if this stuff was actually sent. And I spent, for me, a big chunk of change on these bags, so I really wanted the bags, but if you're not going to send them to me, then give me my money back and I'll spend it somewhere else. So anyways, they finally got here. Everything's all good. I hope that these bags really deliver because I have been waiting for them for so long. So without further ado, let's see what I got in these things. Okay, guys, before we get started, I forgot to mention the prices that I paid for each bag. So I got a mini bag for $6.85, a small one for $15. I got a medium size for $25 and a large size for $35. The total of my order, let's go back here, because you have to pay shipping. So the total for my order was $117.61. So that's what I'm saying, guys. I spent more than I normally do for any type of mystery type situations. So I was really irritated when they weren't here in a timely fashion, but hopefully they deliver. So let's check them out. They came in this I don't know. Oh, one fell out. Awesome. They came in this I don't know, what is this? A paper shredder box. Awesome. So, and they fit all 4 bags in there. The box isn't that big, so I'm not really sure what's going to happen, guys. I hope that I'm not disappointed. So I think the small one is the one that fell. So here's the mini one. Let's start with the mini bag and see what they put inside. The mini bag, again, cost me $6.85. And then I had to pay shipping, and I don't know what that was. So let's cut this little thing open here and see what they put inside here. Okay. I don't know what it is. It says original accessories. There is no best but better. Enjoy best quality cable. Oh, you guys can see it, but I couldn't see it. Oh, okay. There's that, guys. Awesome. What is it though? Is it just a USB port? Yeah. It just looks like it's for your cell phone. Can I easily pop this open, or what's the dealio here? Because I don't want to spend too much time on things, guys, because the video is going to get super long. All right, I'm just going to cut it open. I'm not going to worry about resealing it. Okay, let's take a look here. So yeah, it just looks like it has a couple of different, okay. There's that. I mean, am I getting my money's worth? Probably with that, but really. Okay, so these are, okay, I wanted some wireless earbuds, so that's not bad. So here you go. Here's these. I mean, that's not bad. This one was $6.85. Now, I know you can get some of these wireless earbuds pretty cheap, but I don't know if you can get them for under $6.85. So this is actually a really good thing to put in there. I'm not mad at that. Actually kind of excited because I don't have a pair, so awesome. All right, that's not bad. Not bad. All right, so this is a mobile phone stand, and it is What is this guy's name? I don't watch these. Somebody's going to scream at me through the thing. It says, this is my good side. What is that thing called? Here, you guys tell me who that is. I totally forget, and I know I'm going to... Yoda! Is that Yoda? Yeah, I think it's Yoda. So there you go. So it's a phone stand. Okay, that's fine. And then we have another one that is a pineapple. Let me hold it up so you guys can like see it. So yeah. All right, so that was the first one, and that was the mini one. Did I get my money's worth? Yes. I think the best thing in that one was the little earbuds. So I'm going to pause, guys, because I dropped one of them, and it was the next one that I needed to do. So I'm going to pick it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, sorry about that. It's been like a few minutes for me because I decided to cut them all open because my scissors weren't working that great. I could have grabbed another pair, but I so didn't feel like it. So anyways, I have them all cut open, but I promise I did not peek, so I have no idea what's inside. Here is the small one. Has an S on it, so, you know, I guess that's for small, right? Okay, let's start digging in and see what they put in this one. This one was $15 for the small one. Okay, so let's dig in here. So this is a smart bracelet. Oh. Well, that's kind of cool. Really? So it says a partner to monitor your health. Guys, that's actually not bad. I mean, I'm not mad at that at all. So I'm just saying this one was $15. I'm pretty sure you can't get these super inexpensive. So this is already at its worth or more. I'm just saying. So that's actually a pretty cool thing. Okay, so what else do we have here? They like putting these mobile phones in. Oh my God, I know who would love this one. And they're so getting it. Okay, this is awesome. Look, it has a cat on it with sunglasses. I'm sure you guys know if you guys follow her. I'm totally putting this in my friend mail for Mary Catherine Loves Cats. For sure. So cute. Okay, so what is this? Wireless car charger. A wireless car mount charger. Guys, that's pretty cool. I'm impressed. Okay, I just spit everywhere. I'm that impressed. All right, I'm impressed with this box, bag, whatever you want to call it. This is pretty good stuff. For 15 bucks, I mean, I would definitely use this. So that's pretty cool. Okay, awesome. Let's see what else we got in here. One more thing. What are, these are just earmuffs, right? Yeah. So, you know, that's whatever. But the other stuff, yes. Okay, so bag number 2, the size small. Pretty darn good. All right, let's move on to the medium-sized bag and see what they put in there. This one was $25. Okay, let's see how this goes, guys. Ooh, kind of heavy. What is this? This is a portable BT speaker. Okay, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with a portable BT speaker. But, I mean, it could be kind of cool. Here it is, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm, like, looking at it because I'm trying to figure it out. But yeah, so I got a portable BT speaker. All right, I'll check that out. That's not bad. All right, what is this? Oh, another smart bracelet. So that's cool. I'm going to probably definitely put these in the friend mail because I have a lot of people who are watching their health and doing the Wellness Wednesdays. So I'll just stick it in their little bag. Awesome. Okay, so what is this? This is a fast wireless charger. Okay, these are cool. I have a couple of these already, so I may pass this along to somebody else, but it's good to have. Awesome. All right, this is so not bad, guys. Okay, so then we got some more wireless earbuds. I don't need 8 million pairs. I might stick this in somebody else's thing as well, or use it for a giveaway or whatever. But okay, definitely getting the money's worth. I just wish they would have gave a little bit more of a variety, being that I bought all these at the same time. But you know, whatever. Okay, so now are on the large size bag. I spent $35 on this one. Let's see what they put inside this one. Okay, I'm not mad at this though, guys. Okay, some more earmuffs, you know, whatever. Okay, oh, I'm seeing a lot of the same stuff, guys. More earbuds. I mean, how many pairs of earbuds do I need? Do they put these in every single one? Even though you bought several? I'm just saying. All right. Really? Same thing. Hello? I mean, if you're the same customer, can't you, like, spread this stuff out? I'm just saying, I wouldn't have bought so many if I knew I got, like, a lot of the same stuff. Really? Not happy, guys. I mean, a little more variety would have been awesome. Hello? Ugh. This is a multi-purpose hair trimmer. So, yeah, I don't have a beard. Giveaway or something? I mean, I don't have a beard. have I used for this? Oh, okay. So there's a couple more things in here. But I mean, is the value there? It is. But it's just a lot of the same stuff, which is so frustrating. So then we have another pineapple phone stand. I mean, these phone stands are cool, but I don't know. Then we have a couple of bracelets. One's Adidas and one is Puma. Those will go to, can you guys see them? Sorry. Those will go to my sister because this is something that she would wear, but not so much me. So, I mean, the value's there, guys, but honestly, I am disappointed that it's a lot of the same stuff in each bag. Like, as, you know, if somebody orders them all at the same time, if you're putting them together, now it's one thing if they're just grabbing the bags and, you know, sending them off. But, I mean, if they're actually putting the bags together and it's the same person that bought all 4 bags, wouldn't you think they would mix it up a little bit? Disappointed in the fact that everything is very similar in each and every single bag. They just might have stuck an extra thing in each one to make it a little bit more valuable for each size. But otherwise, the value is there. But if you're going to order from this person, I would suggest just ordering one bag and just decide which one you want because it seems like it's a lot of the same stuff. So that's my final thing on this. This wasn't a bad go, but I mean, for as much money as I spent, I'm a little disappointed that I got a lot of the same stuff. So I don't know. That's a gamble you take when you get these mystery bags / boxes. So at any rate, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If anyone is interested in ordering from this seller, I will link their store in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! I have 4 more mystery bags. I want to say boxes, but they're bags. And you know what? I don't know who the seller is because I didn't look before I started. So, do it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and on today's Surprise Sunday, I just spit. Oh, do it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and on today's Surprise Sunday, I have 4 mystery bags from a... what's it called? Mystery Box USA. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and on today's Surprise Sunday, I got 4 mystery bags from a Etsy store. Why can't I do this? Try it again. I really wanted the bags, though, because I wanted to see what they put in these things, because they advertised it as, you know, as what? I don't know. Let's look. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff in my hair. Oh, this is never getting filmed. Like, I'm just not going to film today. This is ridiculous. Okay. I got 4 more mystery bags from a store on Etsy. Should I say from an Etsy store? That sounds better. Try it again.